Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Today, it's what day is it? Wednesday. It's Wednesday, 31st. Today, I'm gonna go pick up that mystery fridge. Hopefully, it shows up anytime afternoon. Anytime afternoon. Back to the brick. So, I got a couple other things I have to do first. I got to pick up a payment from a lady. I'll probably grab my trailer first and then go pick that up. I got to pick up a blind from Home Depot for my house, actually, when it broke last thing. So that's another thing. And of course, that mystery fridge. Where to go? Who knows? Coffee, trailer. I'll see you guys at the unit. Get it. Hey guys, so I just got a call from the brick. They said the fridge is in, so I'm gonna go pick that up first and go install that into the unit. Then I'll go do the other few errands I have. Hope there's no other issues. Got it. Okay, so total clarity here. I ordered a stainless steel fridge. A white one came. Sales guy messed up. It's the last day of the month. Tenant moves in tomorrow, and there's no fridge. I took the white one. I'm putting it in. It's done and over with, and that's why. Choose wisely on who you get your appliances from. Yeah. Let's get this in.
You're under the pressure. I lost my temper. I said something foolish. Did I go and ruin this? When it started to feel so real, could feel it running through my lonely veins. When I started to heal, could see myself loving for the rest of my days. No, I don't want to be alone so late at night. Those memories are better than gold. I let you down, I know. When it started to feel so real, could feel it running through my lonely veins. When I started to heal, could see myself loving for the rest of my days.
Here you go, brand new wrong fridge for the rental. Medea, not a good name, but Hope they like it. Want a stainless steel, but it is what it is. I can also switch the handle if they want. It's kind of opening the wrong way right now, but I'll ask the tenant what they want. I don't want to have to do extra if I don't have to. So that'll be it. I'm just going to clean up the rest of this stuff I have in here from the cleaner, the vacuum and stuff, and there's a couple of things in the garage. So I'm going to do that and get out of here. And then I'm going to go pick up that payment and also go to, I got to go to Depot to grab a couple things. I just got confirmation that I was approved to do a job for Friday. Thursday I'm taking off. I got some personal stuff I gotta do, so. Yeah, Friday I'll be doing another drain inspection. It's not a cleaning, it's just an inspection. It's a cast joint that's connected to the cleanout, and it's leaking a little bit, and the customer doesn't wanna fix it how probably it should be, so I'm going to do some creative fixing on that and get it to stop leaking. It's just dripping, so it's kind of like a band-aid for a year or so. Other than that, I'll get back to you in a bit. Hey, so I forgot. Let me change out this Smoke O2 sensor too. Replacing it with, they're all hardwired with a battery backup. Yeah, it'll come with their own little hairnet to protect them during construction, so that's nice too, but just take them off. Just plug and play. That's done. All right, guys, so that unit's all done now. It's 100% ready for the tenant for tomorrow. Got my safety cap on, you know. So we're gonna go do some errands. I gotta go to Depot. I'll probably catch you up at home where maybe just throw that blind in quick. Nothing special. So yeah, let's get it. Hey guys, so I wasn't gonna film this, but I guess I will. It's just a blind installation. So the ones that were here, they broke last night. So I'm gonna just take off the clips, and I got the new blind here. They're identical to the other ones I have in the front of the house. Let's get it.
You got me running in a circle. I'm just trying to find my way back to you. What happened to this? I'm gonna circle back where I started. I'm stuck here like glue. You keep me on the loop. I'm just trying to find my way back to you. What happened to us? I'm gonna circle back where I started. I'm stuck here like glue.
All right, here's the new blinds that I have. It's a Home Depot product, so you can see it. It's from the Cellular Shade line. It's like 2 blinds in one. Really 3. You can either do no screen, blackout, or semi-transparent. It's very similar. It's exactly the same anyway than the other ones up here. Put these ones in a while ago. So you can go all the way down or all the way up, and then also just pull them all the way up and you can see out. Pretty neat. expensive, but pretty neat. So let's get back to this. I had a comment saying I was comparing apples to apples, or apples to oranges, the last one. This is a really good screwdriver. It's has a lot of power, and for things like this I can use it. Anything bigger, driving like a 3.5 inch wood screw or something, yeah, I gotta use my driver, but this thing is pretty good. Compared to my other one, I wouldn't be able to do that with the other one that I have, but yeah, so just wanted you guys to know that I love it, and that I love it. That's it. All right, so here, all you gotta do is put it in, line it up, click, click, click. Just gonna slide down a little bit. A little bit. There you go. Get the black out, or these little handles. And when you first open them, that looks ridiculous, right? But it's just for manufacturing. All I did with the other ones was work it out like this, give it a little pull. It's only on this part, the other part doesn't do this. Just be careful. And all right guys, well, I'm just gonna finish that up. That's all there is to that. Now if you wanna just close it, go black out, and then lift it right up. Alright guys, so like I said, tomorrow I'm taking off, and I will see you guys on Friday, and oh, look who's home. Hi Madeline. Alright guys, well that's it for today, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Get it.